clean 19-liter bucket, 1/2-inch drill with speed control, clean mixer or stirrer, measuring cup for water, 19-liter bucket with clean water, 13.3 pounds of base coat dry, 37.5 pounds of Portland cement. Today we're showing you how to use Base Coat Dry from Top K in its powder form, a lightweight alternative that's easy to transport and store and doesn't emit strong odors, allowing you to work comfortably. Let's see how to mix it. If you're using the 13.3 pounds presentation, follow these simple steps. And if you have the 40 pounds presentation, just divide it into 3 equal parts. First, pour 2 liters of water into a clean bucket. Water always goes in first. Next, gradually add the BCD while mixing slowly to achieve a smooth and homogeneous mixture. If necessary, adjust with a little more water. Now, add 37.5 pounds of Portland cement in the same way, gradually, to prevent it from solidifying. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes so the ingredients can do their job. Then, give it a final stir and add a little more water to soften the mix, making it ready for use. Before applying, dampen the surface to prevent it from absorbing moisture from the mix. Apply with a flat trowel, then score with a toothed trowel for an even layer, and finally smooth it with the flat trowel for a perfect finish. And that's it. You now have the ideal mix to apply Base Coat Dry from Top K.